Down here for open house today in Ybor. It's nice and hot today. This one's in the city of Ybor. It's actually just on the north side of Ybor on 275. So you're away from all the craziness that's out there. But this is the house. It's the surrounding area. This is on Columbus. So you could walk to Ybor, maybe about a good 7 or 8 blocks going south. But this is the location of the area, and we'll go inside so you can check it out. A lot of rental properties that are over here in this part of town. This is the deck area. I would probably put up like the neighbor does next door. That way adds a little more appeal to it. Some patio furniture. As you walk in, plenty of room between the staircase and the door, so it's not super close. It's a good size for a dining room. And obviously space is key in this house, so underneath the staircase, they have a storage area that's here. It's got a lot of stuff that's in there. Don't want to show you that, but it's got a lot of room that's underneath there. You got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths upstairs. There is a half bath down here. And then the kitchen has a lot of space. It's got space below for the cabinets that are below. Up top, granite, stainless steel, cherry wood, and the floors. These are wood floors. Goes all the way. First floor. Upstairs also has wood, but in the bedrooms it's carpet. You got a pantry here, plenty of room. This is a utility closet, has the water heater and the downstairs AC unit. I'd probably switch that out and get a on-demand unit. It's smaller, it's compact, saves a lot of room, especially when you don't have a lot of room, you need more space. Costs a little bit of money, but I think it's worth it. This down here would be the living room area. I'll do a view of the back as well. And there's an alleyway in the back, but the parking, you have 2 parking spaces up front, but it's not assigned as street parking. So basically first come, first serve. You do have 2 parking spaces in the back. And then we'll go out to the backyard. There's 2 AC units, one for downstairs, one for upstairs. The owner owns that building and he owns that lot next door. So this property is, that is not a part of this property. And you got 2 areas here you can park. I probably would have widened it out more just to be able to maybe possibly, but it's a very small car to fit there, but it'd be tight. It'd be really, really tight. Or if this was constructed differently, maybe off to the side to walk off, might have given more space to fit 3 cars back here. So there's some configuration that could be done to give you an extra space there for have 3 cars here. And then the ceiling height in here is probably, I would say, about 9.5. Probably not quite 10-foot ceilings, but I'd say probably about 9, maybe 9.5. And then the staircase. So we got 1 bedroom up front, full bath, Bedroom number 2. In this hallway leading that way, we have the laundry, washer and dryer. There's a linen closet, and then the master suites back there. Bathroom is very pretty. It's got tile. It's a tub that's in there, full tub. And it's got tile that goes all the way around. It actually extends a little bit out, which is nice. That way a lot of the humidity, a lot of the moisture doesn't rot out the drywall. I see that happen a lot. Carpet in the bedrooms. I would probably just replace the carpet and get the wood. I like the wood, or even tile, but for upstairs, I probably would do wood. Got a lot of windows. So there's 4 windows that are in here. Closets are pretty good size. Actually goes off to the side. Same thing on the other side. Bedroom number 2 is being used as a home office, but has some stuff in here. But I mean, you know, it's a good sized room that can be utilized. Probably not so much as an office. Just depends on what your work situation is. Closet. Again, we got the laundry that's right here. It's got washer and dryers. It actually goes up pretty high, the ceiling, which is nice. Linen closet. And then the master bedroom, it's got one closet that's shared for the master suite. Walk around. It's got crown molding upstairs, downstairs. It's got the 6-inch baseboards, which is really nice. You got all this trim that goes around, the crown molding around the door frames. So, you know, quite a little bit of details that went into this build. It's built in 2007. A lot of the homes here are from the early 1900s. Dual sinks, you got the garden tub. You got a stand-up shower that's there. The toilet's right there. But some nice finishes that were built in this home. Again, from 07. There's an attic access to get up there. Again, a lot of the houses, but here you can see the trim that goes around. It's a nice little feature. Back downstairs. Again, that trim carries all the way around, crown molded. Little trims again. Very nice. But yeah, just wanted to share this open house with you guys. Again, I'm down in Ybor for this house. Recently just sold a home for a military veteran, not military veteran, but she's active. Air Force down in MacDill, down in St. Pete. That was a two bedroom with a one bath. Sorry, let me take that back. 3 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 1 bath home. Beautifully, that was all remodeled. It's not a huge home, you know, but I mean, it's perfect for her. Just starting out, just under 1,000 square feet. And that one closed at $272 and some change. That was for a VA home loan. So that one worked out perfectly. Beautiful yard in the front and the back. We just got a couple little things that we got to do, but nothing major, just more cosmetic. And then I have another one under contract that will be closing here fairly soon. That's a townhouse in Lakeland, great size, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's got a 1-car garage. That one has a lot of the newer finishes in that one too, built in the, I believe it was in the might be actually later 2000. I think it was like only 2000. I have to look at it and see again, but I think it might be 2015 or something. It's not that old. Fairly newer construction, and that one will be under the 300,000 price range. So I think that's going to be like a really strong price point, especially right now in this market. You know, the 200s, 300s. I'm helping another client right now that's looking for a place that's right around a budget of 250. It's a little bit tough to find something that's in really good shape. So the sweet spot, I think, is probably going to be more like 275, 300 and above, obviously, to find something that's, you know, really that's done very well. Location, at the end of the day, just matters, you know, what's important to you, for you and your lifestyle. But there is homes that can be bought. Again, you know, the difference between the two, like the one in St. Pete and Lakeland, the one in St. Pete, smaller, no bigger than 1,000 square foot. The one in Lakeland, you know, that one's 1,500 square foot or more. Price is almost, you know, not that big of a difference between the two. But again, location, price is pretty similar from there. So again, homes can be bought just in different locations. Right now, I'd say that for every one home, there's about 5 buyers that are out there, especially this time of the year. You know, it does slow down, but there's still some serious people that are out there looking. So especially if you got a lease that's coming up, you know, for the new year, I would say you want to definitely start hitting the pavement now to find something. Don't wait till the last minute. If not, you're probably going to be paying that month-to-month rent if you're truly looking at doing something. I do have a couple of lenders that I'm working with that have some pretty good opportunities in mortgage loans. And one particular is a local credit union here in Tampa. And then the other one I do have is the mortgage firm. So those guys are great at helping clients. I've actually used them to do a home purchase myself, refinance with them before. So those guys are really great to speak with. But if you have any questions, as always, feel free to you know, leave a comment, send me a text message. You can drop me an email. Either way, I'll get your be able to help you guys out. All right. Thank you again.